I'm straying a bit from cosmetics today to make a reed diffuser for Christmas. Here's the formula, super easy because it's just 2 ingredients. You'll need a reed diffuser bottle and some reeds. I had this left over from one I bought a while back, and you'll need some reeds with it as well. So I'm just going to reuse these for now. I'm making a 100ml batch, so first we need our Argeo diffuser base. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I got mine from soakrochford.co.uk. I'm sure there's other places that supply it, but they are quite fast at delivery, so I do recommend them. And we're just pouring in 75ml of that, and then our fragrance oil. I'm using Winter Spice from Pure Scented in the UK. Add 25ml of that to your base, and then all you need to do is just mix it really thoroughly. I'm using one of the reeds to do this. Mix it for quite a while because you do need to make sure that the fragrance is fully dispersed within the base. Now, the diffuser base is made primarily of glycerin. At this time we're not sure if it is vegan or if it isn't, so you might want to check with your supplier if that's something that you need for your product line. If you do intend to sell these products, you need to take some things into consideration. First thing is to check the IFRA or IFRA document. This will tell you how much of your fragrance you are allowed in specific products. So either use the 25% if that falls within the max allowance, or if the max allowance is less than 25%, then you'll need to use less. The other thing is posting these kind of products. You will need to check with your courier if there's any restrictions surrounding selling products containing liquids such as this, especially with fragrance oils. And also you need a CLP label for your product. Now, CLPs are usually available from the fragrance supplier. It's simply all the information relevant to the fragrance at the dilution used in your product, and you also need a safety warning. This is similar to when making wax melts and candles. So here's your finished diffuser, and all you need to do is just put it on the side, and the diffuser base and fragrances will travel up the reeds and scent your home. I just suggest turning them over occasionally, and then that just helps the reeds sort of redistribute the fragrance again. I'll be getting back to cosmetics in my next videos, but until then, if you're interested in more formulas and some more exclusive formulas, then I do have a Patreon. That's linked below. You can join that. I also can answer a lot of your questions there that I can't on social media. And then don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there will be more videos coming.